Good morning, good life. It is a nasty, gloomy day outside, but it's still a good morning because I did my workout. By the way, no, I don't like filming the actual working out part because I already don't enjoy watching myself work out. So I'm not gonna subject you to that. And I am not your fitness guru, so there's probably lots of channels that you can go and watch people work out. I just like to show that I do it because I think it's very important for taking care of yourself. Even more important if you are a giant stress ball like me right now. I don't know. I do know what it is. I know what it is, but it's like, it's also like totally unnecessary, and I'm gonna start breaking out in my like stress hives if I don't cool it. It's just getting really real with the book right now. Things are getting a little bit tight on the timeline. It's uncomfortable for me because I like to be ahead of the game, and I do not feel like we're ahead of the game at the moment, but of course those are my standards. We're still on time for a book, which is great as long as Amazon doesn't hate my guts, but there's just some things that I wish were already done that are not, and so it's fine. It's just like this week and next week are going to be super critical and not helpful that I'm about to get on a plane. I'm really excited though. Myself and Vincenzo and Blake, we are going to Austin today. I'm not going to be sharing that in this video. It'll probably be more like tomorrow's, but we're going to go and I'm going to meet for the first time somebody I admire a great deal. That is Ryan Holiday. I've mentioned him so many times. I read his book, The Daily Stoic, every morning, and I talked about him in the Commonplace book video last couple weeks ago, a week ago, whenever you saw that. I don't remember. Can't keep track of time. Time guru, can't keep track of time. How cute. But yes, we're going to go meet him. I'm going to be talking to him for the YouTube channel, probably an episode coming in 2020 and a podcast episode coming in 2020. We're gonna go knock that out at his home office tomorrow. So we gotta fly out tonight. I'm both excited by that and also stressed by that because I just think that it's a very critical time for the book, but sometimes these opportunities pop up and you can't miss out on them. And I definitely pride myself on jumping on the opportunities that are a hell yeah for me. I don't cuss very often on this channel, but when that is my gut reaction to something, I'm gonna do it. I will find any way possible to do it. So everything's good right now with the book. It's just a couple things that I wish were ready and are not, but that's okay because we're working hard on it every day. My team is furiously attacking every Charlo card that I create for them, and so it's good. We're gonna get it done, but this workout was highly necessary. Same with yesterday's workout because post-Thanksgiving eating and letting all this stress kind of build up over the holiday weekend, thinking about how there was a lot of things I couldn't do because everybody was off work, taking the time to like exert energy so that I can gain that energy back so that I can actually do something about the things I'm stressed about is super important. So if you're questioning whether you're gonna work out today, that was your reason to just do it. It's gonna be a weird day. I had to move my nail appointment to early in the morning, 10 o'clock. And then I have to take Lucy to doggy daycare by my mom's house, which is a little far because my mom's gotta take her back again tonight while we travel. And then I'm gonna meet with my team in the afternoon, quickly knock out some secret podcasts for Shine Squad. Where's my Shine Squad at? Holla in the comments, holla, holla, holla. Secret podcast gotta get done, and just a couple of other things before we fly out this evening. Let's do this, Vlogmas. I need a shower. Alexa, good morning, good life. So you ready to go to daycare? Go see Mimi for the night? Good talk. Autofocus is going the same direction as the rest of this day. It has not been the best start to the day. It has not been the best start to the day. I took Lucy to daycare and it was supposed to be so cute and fun, like yay, take Lucy to daycare. And she didn't have a collar. She only had a leash. So I have no idea, absolutely no idea how that happened, because the leash and the collar never leave each other because Lucy doesn't have to wear a collar at home. So I don't know how that happened. And then I forgot something and I had to go home, and my team meeting was supposed to start 5 minutes ago, and instead I'm sitting here talking to you. I have nothing else. Yay, the TV's up.
TV's up.
Oh my gosh, the wires are missing too. That's great.
Along with that.
Nice. Okay, so what about my time zone clocks?
So you have room here to put artwork, or if you want to do time zone clocks, you go 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of like all across, or you could put something here.
I thought they would be more of like all the way across, like up high, but since the TV's not centered, yeah, it would have to be centered with the TV. Okay. Why did we have to put it all the way to the left like that?
Just based on where the power and the studs were. It pulls out, it swivels. Also, YouTube suggested that it's very easy to hide those cords. Yes, I saw that. I actually did think that was a decent idea.
Noted, YouTube. Thank you.
We just have to drill more holes in the wall.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Worth it. This is not the way my day was supposed to be. Woosah. Okay, well, I'm feeling like a little bit better, even though this is not the way it was supposed to be, because truthfully, I've been sitting on the couch watching Netflix for the last 2 hours and eating sushi. So that is making me feel a lot better. Also, the heat kicking on is making me feel a lot better because it's freezing in this house. I was not supposed to be, really, this is just not appropriate, but I don't have anything better to offer you right now. I was not supposed to be home. I was supposed to be on a plane to Austin, and I am not. While we were in the office during our staff meeting, which might be one of the last things that you saw, I can't remember. This day has been a total blur. One of many curveballs happened, and this particular curveball was that our flight got delayed, and we just had a sinking feeling it was going to keep getting delayed, and it did, and we needed to cancel it and book for tomorrow morning. So now this trip to Austin is even more interesting than it was before, because we're gonna be leaving very early in the morning and then rushing to Ryan Holiday's home office to have, not really rushing, we'll be fine. It's like there's plenty of time once we land, as long as we land on time. But then yeah, we're gonna do some collabo stuff and then bounce right back out and get back here by tomorrow night. Literally don't even have to pack a bag, except for all the gear that I'm making Vin and Blake bring, which is always fun for me because I don't have to do it. I wish I could tell you about the other curveball of the day, but I would be spoiling something significantly. So maybe we'll talk about it at another time. But yeah, threw me for a loop. Threw me for a big loop. It was just par for the course. I feel like this is so accurate for how you put things out into the universe, what happens. Amy, if you just wouldn't have been a little stress ball this morning and saying how the weather is how you feel and everything's just exactly like this, everything outside is how I'm feeling on the inside. If you wouldn't have done that, maybe it wouldn't have gone this way. I receive good outcomes every day. I write that statement in my affirmations every day. I receive good outcomes every day. Today was not one of those days, and I clearly didn't mean it when I wrote it. Okay, that is enough therapy with Amy on the floor. I mean, honestly though, like, you know how sometimes you're like, oh my god, my hair looks so pretty underwater? That's how I feel about laying on the floor. Like, oh, it just looks so much better when, like, it's just like that. Oh. What a mess. These are the types of Vlogmas days that make the whole month so special. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it as always. Please remember to subscribe for good vibes because you never know what's gonna happen next. Kiss the ones you love and go after the life that you want. I'll see you tomorrow in Austin, Texas. Cheers. Hey, are you struggling to find time for the things you love? Feel like you're constantly on the go, but taking care of everyone else first? You are not alone, and you deserve so much more. Not only are you capable of taking on this challenge, you already have all the tools it takes to make it happen. That resourcefulness is all you need to get activated by your new daily mantra. Good morning, good life. It's my new book, and it launches on Amazon on December 10th. More details at goodmorninggoodlife.com.